Welcome to our newest episode about Mars colonization. Subscribe our channel and enjoy. Mars colonization is a concept that has been explored by scientists and researchers for decades. In recent years, there has been a renewed interest in exploring the possibility of colonizing Mars, driven by the desire to expand human presence beyond Earth and the potential benefits that such an endeavor could bring to humanity. One of the biggest challenges in Mars colonization is transportation. Currently, it takes about 6 to 8 months to travel from Earth to Mars using existing technology. However, researchers and scientists are constantly exploring new propulsion systems and fuel efficiency technologies to reduce the travel time and make space travel more affordable and accessible. Advancements in technology are also critical to the success of Mars colonization. For example, 3D printing technology could be used to manufacture structures and equipment on Mars using local materials, reducing the cost and complexity of transporting large amounts of supplies from Earth. Robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, can also play a crucial role in the colonization process, helping to automate routine tasks and assist with scientific research and exploration. Daily life on Mars would be vastly different from life on Earth. Colonists would need to live in isolated habitats that protect them from the harsh Martian environment, which includes extreme temperatures, dust storms, and radiation exposure. They would need to grow their own food and rely on renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Social interactions and mental health would also be important considerations, as colonists would be living in a confined and isolated environment for an extended period of time. There are also several challenges that need to be addressed before Mars colonization can become a reality. One of the biggest challenges is the potential health risks associated with long-term exposure to radiation, which could have serious implications for the health and well-being of colonists. Additionally, the cost and complexity of launching and transporting large amounts of supplies to Mars remains a significant hurdle. Despite these challenges, progress has been made in the field of Mars colonization. In 2021, NASA successfully landed the Perseverance rover on Mars, which is designed to search for signs of past microbial life and collect samples for potential return to Earth. Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are also investing in technology to make space travel and colonization more affordable and accessible. In the next 10 years, it is likely that we will see further advancements in technology and continued progress towards Mars colonization. While the challenges are significant, the potential benefits of expanding human presence beyond Earth are too great to ignore. One of the key technologies that is expected to play a critical role in Mars colonization is the development of sustainable habitats. These structures would need to be designed to withstand the harsh Martian environment and provide a livable space for colonists. Researchers are exploring a variety of innovative solutions, including inflatable habitats, modular structures, and underground tunnels. Another challenge that Mars colonists would face is the need to produce their own food. The Martian soil is not suitable for agriculture, so colonists would need to develop alternative methods for growing crops. Researchers are exploring a variety of solutions, including hydroponics and aeroponics, which allow plants to grow in nutrient-rich water or air. They are also exploring the potential of using genetically modified crops that can withstand the Martian environment. AI is also expected to play a crucial role in the colonization process. For example, AI-powered robots could be used to mine resources on Mars, such as water and minerals, which could be used to sustain the colony. They could also be used to assist with scientific research, exploration, and maintenance tasks. Another challenge that Mars colonists would face is the potential for psychological stress and isolation. Researchers are exploring ways to address this issue, such as providing regular communication with friends and family on Earth, and developing social networks and support systems within the colony. In terms of progress, several countries and private companies are actively working on developing the necessary technologies for Mars colonization. For example, NASA is developing the Space Launch System (SLS) rocket, which is designed to transport humans to Mars. SpaceX is also working on the development of reusable rockets, such as the Falcon Heavy, which could significantly reduce the cost of space travel. In conclusion, Mars colonization represents a significant technological and scientific challenge, but also holds great potential for the expansion of human presence beyond Earth. With continued investment and research, it is likely that significant progress will be made in the coming years, bringing us closer to making this ambitious goal a reality. One of the key challenges in Mars colonization is the development of reliable and sustainable sources of energy. Mars receives only a fraction of the solar energy that Earth receives, which makes solar power less reliable as a primary energy source. Researchers are exploring other options, such as nuclear power and geothermal energy, which could provide a more consistent source of energy for the colony. Another critical challenge in Mars colonization is the need to maintain the physical and mental health of the colonists. The Martian environment presents a range of health risks, including exposure to radiation, dust, and extreme temperatures. Researchers are exploring ways to address these risks, such as developing new protective technologies and designing habitats that provide a safe and healthy living environment. In terms of transportation, researchers are exploring a range of innovative solutions, including the use of reusable spacecraft and in-space refueling. One promising technology is the development of ion propulsion systems, which use electrically charged particles to generate thrust, allowing spacecraft to travel faster and more efficiently. The success of Mars colonization will also depend on the development of new materials and manufacturing techniques. For example, researchers are exploring the use of advanced composite materials, such as carbon fiber, which are lightweight and strong, and could be used to manufacture structures and equipment on Mars. Despite the many challenges, there has been significant progress in the field of Mars exploration and colonization. In addition to NASA's Perseverance rover, other missions are planned in the coming years, including the European Space Agency's ExoMars rover and China's Mars Global Remote Sensing Orbiter and Small rover. Private companies are also investing in Mars colonization, with SpaceX planning to launch its first crewed mission to Mars as early as 2024. Blue Origin, owned by Amazon founder Jeff Bezos, is also investing in space exploration and is developing the New Glenn rocket, which could be used to transport cargo and eventually humans to Mars. In conclusion, Mars colonization presents a range of challenges, but also holds great potential for the expansion of human presence beyond Earth. With continued investment and research, it is likely that significant progress will be made in the coming years, bringing us one step closer to the ultimate goal of establishing a permanent human presence on Mars. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel and see you in next episodes.